Hello everyone and welcome to Insights from Gyan, a channel where we simplify complex topics of business, technology and digital transformation into clear, practical insights you can actually use. Today we are going to demystify two important AI concepts you may have heard frequently: LLMs and SLMs. These terms often sound technical, but the ideas behind them are actually very simple. By end of this session, you will clearly understand what these models are, how they are different, and most importantly, when and why each one is used. No technical background is required. Let's start with the big picture. Here is a core message of this entire presentation. Large language model or LLMs are powerful generalists. Small language models or SLMs are efficient specialists, and the smartest system use both together. Think of LLMs as broad thinkers, flexible, knowledgeable, and capable of handling complex conversations. SLMs, on the other hand, are designed for speed, cost efficiency, and precision in specific tasks. As we go forward, we shall unpack this idea step by step. Before comparing SLM and LLM, let's first understand what a language model actually is. In simple terms, a language model is an AI system that understands and generates human language. Here how it works. You give it text or a question. The model processes that input and it responds with an answer, explanations and summary. It learns by reading large volume of text and identifying patterns just like humans learn language by reading and listening. Language models are commonly used for answering questions, writing content, summarizing information, and assisting decision making. Let's start with LLM or large language model. An easy way to understand an LLM is to think of it as a super smart general consultant, someone who knows a little bit about almost everything. LLMs are trained on enormous amount of data from many domains. They are flexible, cloud-based, and capable of reasoning across a wide range of topics. Their strength lies in versatility, deep explanation, summarization, and creative problem solving. However, this power comes at a cost. LLMs are expensive to run and often slower for simple tasks that don't need deep reasoning. Now, let's look at small language models or SLMs. An SLM is best compared to a highly trained specialist, someone who does one job exceptionally well. SLMs are smaller in size and trained for specific tasks or domains. Because of this, they are faster, cheaper, and more predictable. They can even run on local devices, factory systems, or on premise servers, which makes them ideal for privacy sensitive environments. The trade off is scope. SLMs are not designed for open ended conversations or broad knowledge beyond their training. This comparison table brings everything together clearly. LLMs are very large, broad in language, and suited for doing many different things. SLMs are smaller, focused, and optimized to do one thing very well. LLMs are slower and costlier but flexible. SLMs are faster, low cost, and operationally efficient. In short, LLMs are best for exploration and creativity. SLMs are best for operations and automation. Here is a simple real world analogy. Imagine a hospital. An LLM is like a senior general physician. They handle complex cases, explain options, and connect multiple symptoms into a diagnosis. An SLM is like a specialized technician. They read X-rays or lab reports quickly and accurately at scale. Both are essential. But you wouldn't ask a senior doctor to read every routine report, and you wouldn't ask a technician to diagnose complex cases. AI works the same way. So why the SLMs becoming so important today? First, cost pressure. Business cannot afford to run large models for every small task. Second, speed requirements. Operations, factories, and customer support need instant responses. Third, data privacy and compliance. Many industries must keep sensitive data on premise. And finally, task specifically. Many real world job need accuracy and consistency, not creativity. That is exactly where SLMs excel. Let's look at where each model performs best. LLMs are excellent for content creation, research and learning, and general customer conversations. SLMs sign in factory maintenance instructions, invoice processing, and Edge AI running on devices or sensors. In simple terms, LLM support thinking and explanation, SLM support execution and operations. The most effective AI system today use a hybrid approach. Here how it works. A user request enters the system. Routine tasks are handled instantly by a SLM. Only complex or ambiguous cases are escalated to an LLM. The final response is delivered to the user. This approach delivers lower cost, faster response time, predictable quality, and stronger data privacy. It's not about choosing one model, it's about using each model where it fits best. Here are three practical takeaways for non-technical decision maker. First, fit the model to the job. Don't use a large model when a small one will do. Second, start small. Pilot SLMs on high volume, routine tasks to prove value quickly. Third, design hybrid quadrants. Clearly define when work stays with SLMs and when it escalates to LLMs. This is how AI delivers real business outcomes, not just impressive demos. To conclude, LLMs are powerful general thinkers, SLMs are efficient specialists, and smart organizations design systems that use both intelligently. Thank you for your time. If this explanation helped you, feel free to like, share, or subscribe for more simple, practical insights on AI and digital transformations. Thank you.